Welcome back to yet another day of Asia Trading Gold. Asia is opening in 5 minutes. I'm working on this brand new combine, 150k combine. I only took a trade this morning and got half of what I need, so $4,500 this morning from this trade right here. So I went in. We tapped this big order block, 30-minute order block. You can see a rejection here. We got a change in the state right about this level, right here. Boom, we got to close below that. As soon as we close below it, I went in heavy because when I trade evals, I just want to get them done as fast as possible to get to the funded stage. So I went in heavy, and one trade done. I took partials here on the way, or I actually added to it and then just finish it off right here. I needed a little bit more, $200 more, so I added 12 more contracts here, or micros here, to get to the halfway point. I need $9,000 to pass this account, and it's looking good so far. $4,500 today, 100%. What else do we have here? The trade time was about 6 minutes 18 seconds, and this is a trade right here. So hopefully I'm gonna try. We'll see. I'm gonna try and do the same thing for the Asia sessions, to just get this done in one day, basically the challenge done in one day. That is essentially what I like to do. Very risky, of course, because you can easily blow the account pretty fast if you do that, but you know, I like to get past the challenge state and into the funded as fast as possible, and that is the reason why I'm doing this way. I do that with the 50Ks as well, so we'll see how we get here. So what I'm looking at right now, we do have this inverse fair value gap up here inside of a 30-minute order block. So this is the 30-minute order block marked out to this green box right here, this big bullish candle that tapped into the other 30 minutes order block right here, as you can see, and that is, we got this rejection, and that is where I took my first trade this morning, and that created this inverse fair value gap here, a 30-minute FVG. So we might come back up, we might test, you know, you see this high here, this is engineered liquidity, and this is for sure going to be taken out right here. I am confident that this will be taken out immediately upon open of Asia. I don't know if I should take that trade, because it looks so clear to me that this is going to be taken out, because it sits right underneath the 30-minute order block. So I might actually go in with some size here right now, honestly, 2 minutes before Asia open. Let's go in with 30 micros, and we can add to it if we start going in the right direction to begin with. So we got 2 more minutes here, 1 minute 16 seconds. I'm just gonna jump in right now. It's just an email
order
anyway.
filled.
So let's put that up there, and let's see if we start to pump here. Would be fantastic. We got 1 more minute. If we start to pump, I'm just gonna add more until I get to my target to passing this eval. So we'll see how it goes here. We got 40 seconds. I'm trading combines very, very aggressively. This is not how you should trade your funded accounts, for sure. It's not a good idea, but when we're on combines like this, for me, I don't want to waste time on combines anymore. I've passed so many, I've blown so many funded because I kept trading them the exact same way I trade like this. Combines, which is of course not a good idea. So now I just want to get to funded level fast and reduce my risk once I'm in funded account. So we got 13 seconds. Let's see how this goes. Let's see if I can pass this account very quickly today, hopefully. We'll see. 3 seconds. I want to see it shoot right up here. Take out that liquidity that sits up top here first of all, then hopefully reach all the way back here. We'll see. I'm thinking of maybe adding already to this position, because it doesn't look like it wants to come back down. Could be wrong. It could just dump here. Who knows? Then we got a little bit more money that we need to make up for. I'm risking 1400 now. But it looks pretty good to me. This closed extremely bullish, as you can see. So I wanted to open bearish and create the wick on this new hourly candle here, and then just rip all the way up. Let's go down and check the 15 minute if we have, or 5 minutes maybe. We do have this order block down here that it might actually come back and retest. I hope not. That would not be good for us. But we did close within this order block, which is great. That's a good sign. We have these two candles that are creating this bullish order block. We did close above the halfway point of that, so hopefully we just rip up here. We'll see. I might drag down this stop loss to this order block right here if I see that we start dumping a little bit more, because I'm pretty confident we're gonna go and take this buy side up here, this line. So it shouldn't be, but we might also retrace first. I don't know how deep we're gonna retrace before we go up and take that buy side up top. Hi Rosie. Rosie always comes and checks on my trades. Hey Rosie. What is it, Rosie? Rosie means good luck. When she comes here, my trades always work out. Right, Rosie? That's how it goes. So let's see here. Pretty slow opening, but I do like that it opened bearish. So all we gotta do now is just the waiting game. That's 95% of trading. Just sit and do nothing. But I had my analysis going in, following my plan here. We shall see. Right, Rosie? What is it? What is it? If we close above this green box above this 1 hour level, if we close above that, I am 100% adding to this position and hopefully just pass this challenge very, very fast. Or this combine. I don't know if you can hear her purring. She purrs very loud. I took 2 payouts today. Total of $2,700 from both my funded accounts. Don't think it's come out of the accounts yet. It has not. We still have the same balance. Should probably hit within a day or two. So we got 1 more minute on this candle. I do want to see it start to go bullish now, but not sure if it's actually wants to go bullish just yet. I do think we're gonna go down and tap this order block down here first. It definitely looks like it. What's the risk here? It would be okay for a challenge, I guess. But let's see what it does first of all. Let's see if we do get a rejection here. Actually, I'm gonna keep my stop here. If I get stopped out, that's fine. Then I'm just gonna wait and re-enter here instead of risking more. I think that's the better play. So I do not like this close here. Does not look good. Looks like we're probably going to come down and retest this 5-minute order block before we pump. We'll see. I think this is just creating the upper wick of this candle now. It's gonna come back down. see if we want to close above this. That would be fantastic if it does that. Because we have not come back to the midpoint here yet. But maybe he wants to pump here. Maybe he wants to pump. Little rejection there. If this starts rejecting a lot, I'm just gonna cancel this trade and re-enter when it comes down to midpoint down here, 50%, the red line, because now the red line is perfectly lined up with this order block, so it would make sense for it to come back and retest it before go up to the at least negative 27 line up here. But we'll see. Maybe it just wants to pump before even retracing. Let's see, we got 2.5 minutes left in this candle. If this closes bullish, I'm just going to add to my position and let it rip. What the hourly looks like. Hourly looks extremely bullish. So, I mean, check this out. The hourly candle here. Look at this rejection to the bottom. Boom, pumping right up. We don't even have a wick on the top. This looks very, very bullish to me. The only thing is I don't know how far this candle is gonna retrace before we go up there, so I might actually close this trade and re-enter once I see a close above this candle if this continues to reject here, just to save some capital. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close this. I need to see this 2-minute imbalance hold here. I don't want to see it. I'd rather not see it wick below the halfway point of this imbalance right here. I just want to see it go now. Bullish. Nice rejection there on the 2-minute. Let's see what the 5-minute looks like. 5-minute looks pretty good as well. Where did my oh, lines is up here. All right, cool. Looks like we're pumping here. I'm gonna add to my position
Order
now.
filled.
Stop below this fair value gap down here. Risking quite a lot here, but it's fine. I really don't care on eval, so I just want to get it done. And we need $4,500. We would be somewhere there. Come on, just pump straight up there. Don't retrace. I don't need a retracement. We do have this massive 5-minute fair value gap right here. That is going to be pretty tricky. Hopefully we just blast through it. This area, we're tapping it right now. But I keep coming back to the hourly, which looks, as I showed you, very, very bullish. I feel it just wants to go on the hourly. It wants to go bullish. It wants to go up. If I was on my funded account, I would not take this trade. What I would do is wait for a retrace back to this order block before shooting up here and taking out this buy side up here. But on a challenge account, on a combine like this, I'm just gonna shoot for it. It looks pretty good. It doesn't look like it want to retrace though. But we still got 2.5 minutes left in this 5-minute candle, so we'll see. There we go. Push. Just push. Don't like this rejection that we're getting. Don't like this. Just push gold, just do it. You don't have to retrace. I might take this off and wait for the retrace though, because I don't want to risk this entire amount and I have to build that back up. We need to go right now. We got 1 more minute in this 5 minutes. The good news is we are pushing past this order block here, but we're also rejecting quite strongly from this fair value gap up here. Hourly still looking extremely bullish though, so 10 seconds left in this candle. If it closes bearish, probably gonna get out of this trade and wait for the retrace. We shall see. We closed bullish, which is a good sign. Even though we did get a massive wick on this candle, which also is maybe not the best sign, but if this next candle can just push through this high here of the wick, then I think we're golden. Come on. Come on. If I look at the hourly, it just does not look like it wants to retrace one bit. It looks like it already did the retrace on the 1 hour chart. So, I mean, this should just pump up now. Yes. Keep going. We're up 2,000 now. I need 4,500. We're right inside of this 5-minute fair value gap, as you can see. If we can just push above this gray zone here, then I know we're for sure going to take this buy side up here, and we are done with this funded account, or express. We are funded 150k on other account. The hourly still just looks like it wants to rip out. It's just ready to rock it. So hopefully the 5-minute will follow that. Don't reject on me now. Still got a minute 15 left in this candle. I do not want to see it create a big wick up top. I just want to see it continue momentum up here. Just push. Push. Past this gray zone and we're good. Yes. 18 seconds left on this candle. I'm pretty confident now that we're actually going to pass this funded in just 1 day, which would be absolutely fantastic. But I'm not going to celebrate yet because we need to pass this gray zone. Come on. That's a little retrace, that's fine. I know you want to go and take the buy side. Just go and take the buy side. It's right there. We have an order block right above it. Oh, we're so close. We're so close. We're up $3,000 now. Just go. I need $1,000 more, and we're good. And we pass this account. Don't reject on me here. I'm thinking of moving stops to break even now, because we should not come back here before we take out this buy side. It just does not make sense to me, because this order block has already been passed through, so that's what I'm gonna do. Put my stops to break even here. We should just rip up now. We do have a small fair value gap right here. Mini this one between these two candles. Might come back and retest that, but that still would not make sense to me. I just want to see it go. So we got 2 minutes left in this candle. We are past the 5 minute fair value gap. We are pushing above the gray zone, which is great news. And I don't see anything in this area where price might reject from. There is literally nothing here. Should go straight for buy side now. I need $500 more dollars. Come out. Come on. I see a massive bullish candle now. Just take it out. Imagine if it came back and retested this order block from here before taking out the buy side. Oh, that would not be good. Goodbye. We got 30 seconds left in this candle. I want to see it close bullish. I don't want to see it doing stupid stuff like now, like it's doing right now. Ay. Don't reject on me here. Back to bullish now. Don't like that close at all, because we closed bearish. Indecisive candle means we're probably going to come back now. Retrace a little bit. Oh, just take it out. If it doesn't take it out right now, I'm just gonna wait until we come back to this order block down here and re-enter again all the way down here. But I'm not gonna take a loss on this trade. It either hits my break even or it hits TP. I'm not gonna touch anything. Would it be nice if price could just go straight to TP without retracements? How sweet would that be? We've got 2 minutes left in this candle. I would love to see it close bullish. That would be absolutely fantastic, but I'm really not sure. Doesn't look like it. Maybe. Come on, one more minute. 1 minute left in this candle. Hourly still looks extremely bullish. Let's see what level this is. We have an hourly order block at 3350. That is right here, right underneath my entry. Actually, it's right. 3350 is all the way up here, so it's right above my entry. We should not come back. We could come back and tap this. So this is what I'm talking about right here. We have this order block right here, hourly, and this is sitting right above my entry. We could come back, retrace into this, tap it, and then shoot up. But you can see the hourly is still looking very, very bullish, extremely bullish. And I can tell he just wants to go out and take out this buy side up here. This line, this wick. But sometimes price doesn't do what you tell it to do. Now we're creating a bull flag here. Looking good. Looking good. And we broke the bull flag. Hopefully it keeps up the momentum to the top here now. This is a brand new 5-minute candle and starting out very, very bullish, which is good to see. But it could also be creating the top wick before heading down. So we're gonna have to wait and see. But it looks pretty decent to me. Yeah, 30 minute doesn't look great. 30 minute does not look fantastic. We probably need to come down and create a wick on this candle before shooting up. Question is, how big is that wick gonna be? Is it gonna be all the way to my stop, or is it gonna stop somewhere here? We'll see. If he could just stop playing around and decide what he wants to do, that would be fantastic. Gold, can you just finish your job? Can you just go and take out that stupid buy side up there? We can call it. Don't you reject on me. Yes. See what the 5 minute is doing here. 5 minutes is actually not looking bad because we closed above this candle, bullish. This should just come back and retrace a little bit here now, tap this line, and then hopefully reject from this line, and then boom, right into our TP. The reason why I don't think we're going to come back, I could be wrong because we're tanking right now, but the reason I don't think we're going to come back all the way down here to this order block before taking out this buy side is this is a massive move before taking out this, which is right here. It's so close to price right now, but this is not looking good. I don't like this candle at all, unless we just switch bullish right now. Nope. Nope. Don't like this candle. Might take this trade off, to be honest. Just get my $1,500. because I do not like this candle unless we turn bullish like right now, which is probably not going to happen. Because every time you see a candle take out the high of the previous candle and then boom, shoot right down and take out the low immediately, that usually means, specifically on the 5 minute and higher time frames, usually means we're having a reversal unless we switch bullish again within these 5 minutes. I don't want to see this close bearish now. And we're also inside this 5 minute gap here. But we might switch bullish, I'm not sure. We got 1 minute 30 left on this. We'll see. Alright, that's what I wanted to see. That is what I wanted to see. Now if we can just stay bullish. And if we can close bullish, we got 1 more minute on this candle. Come on. Just go. Just go. Okay. That was basically touching my TP there. Moving my stop up here. Let's take a this. Come on.
Order filled.
Alrighty. No, we still have $40 more. We need to make $40 more. Ah, come on. Okay, let's try and make $40. We haven't tapped the order block yet, so... Oh, this is stupid. I hate when this happens. I'm at $58,960. I need to be at $159,000. So let's wait for a tap of this order block right here, the 30-minute order block. Then we should see a rejection or a retracement at least to this 5 minute here. Hopefully we can get our 40 bucks. So let's put 45 profit target here, and let's do this 100 like that. And let's do. Tap the order block. I hate when this happens. You know, top step, you gotta be, if you want to do it in 2 sessions, in like 1 day, morning session and Asia session, pass a challenge, you need to be right on the dollar amount to pass. Otherwise, you're gonna break the 50% consistency rule. Hey, Rosie, what are you doing? Oh, this is annoying. These are the worst trades when I know I have to make like 60 bucks or 100 bucks to pass a challenge. I don't like these trades at all. I think we're gonna push into this order block, to be honest. So I could just take a buy right here, but still a very risky trade. We tapped the 4-hour line on the 1 hour, 4-hour level on the 1 hour charts we might actually start rejecting from this area. We also tapped into order block, hourly order block again. We shall see. I'm just gonna shoot.
Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go. We can get a little retrace here. Still think we're gonna tap this order block up here though.
Order filled.
Just give me my $40. This is not a great trade. I just want to get my $40 and get out, and this is how you make mistakes.
Order filled.
A little bit more here. $50. Come on. Push down here. Come on, give me a... Now I do want a retrace. Just a small little retrace. Give me my $50. It looks like I still want to tap the 30-hour order block up there, the green zone, before we go down. We'll see. If we do, it's totally fine. Come on, dip a little more. I just need a little bit. Come on down. Gold. You better go down a little bit now. I need $60. Actually, 40. Just hit my TP and we'll be done with this. The reason I have my TP there is because that would be a retest of this 5-minute fair value gap that we have right here, and I want to see it tap this before eventually going up and tapping the 30-minute order block up here. Before we do that, we could tap into this, and that is what I'm betting on right now. Definitely doesn't look like it wants to go down at all. Looks like another bull flag here. Right here. Break this and boom, shoot up to this 30-minute order block up there. But it would make sense to me to at least come back and retest the 5-minute inverse here before we go up. But does gold care about what I think is reasonable? No. Not at all. It ain't looking good for my $40. It's so annoying, these trades. I should have just moved my TP up by 1 tick. This is not looking good now. I think we're gonna go out to the 30-minute order block now. Taking this off.
Order
Cancel
filled.
it. Going bullish.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Give me my money. How much do I need now? Yeah, so we should tap into this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna risk a little bit here. And he comes back down to tap my 5-minute now. It's gonna do it. Yep. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. What do you want to do, Gold? We actually completely filled in the 1 hour fair value gap. So we might actually have a bigger rejection to the downside here than I thought we would get. I didn't notice that. I'm thinking of maybe taking this trade off. See, this is not good, thinking like this. When you just need to make a small amount of money to pass the account, then you start thinking in ways you usually don't think. Trading, man. Trading. Just go up and tap the 30-minute box, please. I think I need, I don't know how much I need. 150 maybe? Something like that. What I should have done is made sure I made over $159,000, and then I can just take small losers to bring it down to exactly $159,000. I'd much rather do that than trying to make up $40 that I missed. But I might go in with 2 more here. Let's see what this channel does, what he wants to do. Because I think I need $160. I'm at 100. That would be up here somewhere, right there. Consolidation. Not much happening right now. All of this because I missed out of $40. Ridiculous. I want to see it at least go out and take that high one more time, because the order block is right above this high, right above here. So I want to see it go up and take out this high. But yeah, about that. Don't like these equal lows down here. Definitely gonna come down and sweep this now. These 2 lows. we go. This is what I'm hoping that the 5-minute inverse holds for the upside. Otherwise, instead of making $40, now we have to make like $400. Which is fine, but it's just annoying. See, if I had my original idea, I would be done by now because he came back and tested this area just like I thought. So always stick with your original idea. I should know that by now. Might get lucky here if we hold this 5-minute inverse. Doesn't look like we want to hold the 5-minute inverse. Looks like we're going to go straight through it. So annoying, man. So annoying. I was right there. I had it was a done deal, and then this stuff happens. You need to make $40, and then all of a sudden you need to make $400. Still have this small little fair value gap right here. Gonna see if this holds. But this looks extremely bearish to me. Might just take this off. Probably a good idea. Just tapped into this last zone resistance area right here, which would be this gap. So if we're gonna go up, we need to go up right now, otherwise it's just gonna keep tanking. Yeah, I'm taking this off.
Order filled.
Now I need to make $330. So, let's just wait for our next setup, I guess. Well, we are opening the second hour of Asia now, so we should get some volume at least. And let's see what we have on the hour here. We still have a lot more room to the upside. I mean, all the way up to about 33.75 to the upside. Let's remove these risks because I don't need to make 45 anymore. I need to make $400 now. Don't see anything I like at the moment, so I'm just gonna wait. I don't want to dig this hole any deeper than it already is. I really think we're going to go up and tap the 30 minutes up top there. I mean, we have room all the way up to 34.12, which is a long way up. That is 34.12 on the hourly. That's way up here. This level up here, the 4-hour zone. Maybe overnight it's gonna shoot up there, who knows. Well, that's not what we're focused on right now. Right now we're focused on making $400 and passing this stupid account. Let's refine this zone a little bit, because I think we're gonna go up here. This level, right to there. Question is, are we gonna dip down to this order block before we go up there? It's possible, because that's what gold tends to do. We have liquidity all the way up here. These lows, we have stops resting below these. Probably want to go and take all of those out. Boom. And then shoot straight up. So I might take a short down to this level when the second hour opens here in 30 seconds. We'll see how it goes. We did close below this 2 minutes gap. Now we're coming into this 2-minute order block right here, so I think we're gonna dump right here, to be honest. Do I wanna go in with a short? I'm going in with a short.
Order filled.
I'm going in with a short. We don't need that much. We just need... If we take out these lows, we're good. Nope. Come on, gold. You need to take some liquidity before you go up again. Come on. This is a good example of how you can be this close to taking a payout, to passing an account, but you just keep digging yourself deeper and deeper because you're making these, you just want to have these small, you just need $40, and then all of a sudden you need $400, and then all of a sudden you need $2,000. It's crazy, man. Trading is crazy. Hopefully we still reject this. We just came back and retested. We have a small little gap up here. But I mean, these lows here just look, and we also have a fair value gap right underneath them. I want to see it come down and take these out. Yes. Come on. Do I have enough this time, though? That's the question. Do I have enough? I don't want to stop at $158,995. I need to get over 159 this time. Come on, gold. Just push it down there. Alright, looking good. Need to make sure I get what I need here, because I did not want to do this again. Are you kidding me? What was that? It just... What? Check that out. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is insane. It just missed my TP by I don't know how much. And I have a feeling it's gonna start going up now, because we took out these lows that I wanted to see taken out. No way. No way. Come on. Come on, gold. Alright, I need $100 more. I'm not gonna risk this whole amount here. So I'm gonna stop right there now. This is ridiculous, man. Yeah, we're gonna pump now. Oh boy. Taking this off.
Order filled.
Now I need 550, so let's get that 550 now. This is so annoying. 2 times now I've been this close to passing this account, and it just does not work for me. Let's see, where's the midpoint here? Where are we going? Do we want to take a long to take out this high? We still got 2 minutes left in this candle. We did take out these lows that I wanted to see taken out. but it didn't trigger my TP. So I'm leaning long right now. Depends on how this candle closes. We did have a break of this trend line too, to the downside, right there. Broke it right here, retested it. We might actually...
Order filled.
You know what? I don't care anymore. I don't care. I just want my $500. If this doesn't work, this is my last trade, then I am coming back in the morning and trying to pass this account. It's not a big deal. Doesn't look like it's gonna work out.
Order filled.
Alrighty, well now I need to make $1,500. So that's trading. I'm not gonna trade anymore tonight. I'm gonna try and pass this tomorrow, but so annoying because I was at $159,000 at one point. It just didn't hit my TP by this much, so that's totally my fault. Very, very, very annoying. I had $40 to go, and now I have $1,500 I need to make up. So that's it for this trade. I'm gonna let you know how this goes tomorrow morning, if I pass it or not. I probably will pass it, but that's trading for you. You don't really know what's gonna happen. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.